Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We Are Not the Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, ZN. I'm your host, P Fire, aka P equals MC squared. And this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit that you know what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go around, I'm gonna come back, and we're gonna get right into it. Yes, yes. Oh Lord. You know, sometimes you just let the 12-year-old you out, or maybe I should say 12, I'm going too old, the 6-year-old you out. Anyway guys, let me just give you a little look, you know what I'm saying? Let me give you something right now so you can see what's going on. Little twirlage, I'm twirling, I'm twirlaging, I'm good. Guys, today we have this beautiful piece from Plurimus, and this is a ENUFF S19 Overshirt. Alright, let's get into it. So, you already know about Plurimus because I gave you some of the inside information on the unboxing. So let's just get into it. You know what I'm saying? Mad fly piece, it is what it is. Let me just give you a little bit of color. Oh, god damn. Alright guys, so let's start at the waist. You see my waist is right here, and this is the perfect length, goes just beyond the waist. And yeah, really dope. Okay, let's zip up and then we'll get into the piece. Alright. Okay, let's start at the cuffages. Look at that. Nice bit of cuffage right on the wrist line as you like it. Really super dope. You got a lot of room in there. Really roomy. And of course equilibrium, c'est un bel thing. Look at that. Now you want to do a bit of taperage. You got that nice velcro right there, and that allows you to really taper. Let me just show you. You fold that in, you move that over. All right, look at that taperage guys, look at that, beautiful. Compared, look, you see that's how a tapering should work. Look at that. Let me show you. You see, that's how a tapering should work. It's halved it at least. I'm going to do the same on this side so you can see. Let me just show you the velcro strip right there so you can see. Really nice. And then you've got the nice little velcro. That's the male, that's the female, that's the female, that's the male, whatever. They're about to jump on, and as you can see, look at that, perfect taperage. It's actually the perfect, this is one of the most perfect tapering systems I've ever seen in my life. Yes, I've made it sound more mechanical than it is, but yeah, look at that. Really nice, perfect fit. Okay, now I told you I zipped up, and by zipping up I used this. Actually, it doesn't say what this zipper is. It doesn't say what this zipper is, but it's a nice sort of meaty kind of zipper, and it's a double zipper, as you can see. Let me just zip up again. Here we go. So as you can see, double zip right there. Got a nice little chunky one right there, and then a smaller one up top. Again, I'm not sure what the make of the zipper is, but it's very sturdy. Okay, guys. As you can, I've not even mentioned the color. As you can see, it's in this fetching, I want to call it woodland forest green. I want to call it that, and that's what I'm going to call it. It's a woodland forest green, and as you can see, it's pigmented, and I think that's just from the dyeing process and all that. And as you can see, there's sort of markings on that, and from what Fabio, the owner and designer, says, if you heat this up, all these markings, they go away. So I think if you give it a wash or you heat it up to a certain, you know, like kind of maybe steam it or something, I think all these markings go away, something like that. Okay, cool. So now we've done the zips. Now if you look on the left hand side, you have this really nice pocket, and this pocket is held down by this nice strong velcro, and that is on a flap which goes across like that. Move it open, and in there you could hold a mobile phone, couple silver coins or gold coins, but that's it. Nothing untowards goes in there. And look at that. Wow, I did not know that. You've got the extra bit, and I do believe this might be for the neck. I didn't even know that's there. Look at that. And I'm not sure if you can pick it up guys, but this piece here, I'm going to show you on the pictures. You see, this is actually squid-like material. If you know your Stone Island shadow projects, and you know you got the sort of squid the really reflective one. And Plurimus have done the exact same type of jacket. I'll put some pictures down here so you can see what I'm talking about. Boom, really nice to find bits when you're doing a review, because I do this as I'm doing. Can you see that, guys? Let me hit the light. If the sun was out, you'd see it, but can you see a bit of the fluorescence, the iridescence going on in there? Anyway, you've got that nice material going on the inside, and then on the other side you've just got this super soft, this material here, it's like a nylon but mad soft. Okay, so you've got that beautiful pocket there, and that is outlined again by that squid material. So now if you go to the right hand side, you have a sort of hidden pocket which is marked out by this zip here, which is very flush, and once again the pocket depth is exactly the same. Few gold or silver coins and a mobile phone, but that is about it. You know, if you put your packed lunch in there, it will get very squished because there's not much room. But yeah, very nice flush hidden pocket, as I would like to call it. Cool. Now if you look here, as you can see, you've got more of that squid material again. If today was a sunshine day, all of this will be going on crazy. It will be going on crazy, and you can see from the pictures that I've shown you how that looks. Mad. So you've got that panel here going from sort of just starting before the elbow and just around up to the armpit there, it sort of goes. Really nice detailing. Equilibrium's a beautiful thing, so it's on both sides. Okay, now let's look at the collar, because you know the collar is looking mad fly. It's your typical overshirt collar, you know what I mean, as you can see, nice and cool, but when I lift it up, you see that, more reflective. You see that, more reflective. I say reflective, it's iridescent so that when the light hits it, it starts moving like a snake in the sun, you know, or a piece of glass in the sun. That gives you that feel. That's what the iridescence is. Okay, as you can see, really super dope. And as you can see, it's got two fasteners there, one there and one there. And I believe, let's go to our hidden panel. As you can see, let's have a cheeky little look. Do that there. Boom. Do that there. Let's have a look. Here's not one I made earlier. I'm going to use the camera. Here we go. And then boom, you get that. So you can wear it up like that. You know, I wouldn't be wearing it up like this. I'm definitely a wear it down kind of guy. But let me just give you a look so you can see. Boom. And that just gives you that sort of neck bit, and I guess it protects your neck from the cold as you would want. But yeah, let me just snatch that off and put it back in its cubby, and then we will get on to some more of the details. Now on left hand side, right hand side, you have these flush pockets just like the one that is here, and you put your hands in, and to be honest, that's pretty decent. It's at the right space for you to put your hands in, so you can walk down the street with your hands in your skyrocket. It's at the right depth, and yeah, it's a hand pocket. You're not going to put anything other than your hands in it. This is made perfectly for your hands. It feels nice, it feels lovely. Now this material is kind of like your sort of raincoat material. Imagine your raincoat material but a premium version. And I don't want to be disrespectful to Fabio by saying raincoat material, but I'm not au fait with materials and their feeling. So, but this is super soft, it's super nice. It's kind of like I can't explain it. I'm trying to think what jacket, like, you know, the Green Shadow Project jacket that I did, I think it's a Masola Gomata. It's that kind of material. Really super dope. Let me just put this down. Yeah, really nice. Now guys, again, I told you this is a Plurimus and this is their logo. Removable badge, beautiful, and that can stay there. As you can see, it can stay there, or let me show you guys. Let me loosen the Velcro strap. Beautiful touch this, by the way. Beautiful touch. Look at that Velcro bit right there, which allows you to remove your badge. So if, like, you know, you don't really want to sort of, you know, like with your Stone Island, you don't really want to be that guy wearing your badge out, you can remove it, put it on, wear it, and it's with you. It's safe. Beautiful. So there you go. Let's have a look at that. No season 19, deep green, size medium I went for. Medium was like a 23.5 maybe. Okay, let's have a cheeky look on the inside. I got, and this is what I love, look at this, I got number 70 of 99. My favorite number is 77. If I had got 77, I would have been so gassed, but it doesn't matter. Look at that, right there, and that is that's not printed, guys, that is embroidered. So this whole thing, they make an individual one of these for each one, so it's not that they've written it. Really dope. And that is on a inside pocket. So if I just open that, you've now got your inside pocket there. You also have the Plurimus logo in there. Just finding all these little details, because this is the first time I've reviewed it, guys, just for you lot. So medium Plurimus right there, logo, really, really dope. This feels, I can't explain to you. So this is like another layer. It's like a thin layer which is so soft. I'm talking about super soft. So you're not getting this feeling on your body, you know. It's a super soft, super soft. Look, can you see, like, are you seeing the lighting? Because I can see it when the light hits in a certain way, but I don't think you guys are picking it up. Really, really, really dope. Now if you look at the back, once again you've got a little bit of sorry, pardon me, at the back you have these, I guess you'd call them taper devices. You got these Velcro straps which allow you to taper your waist in, which is amazing. But again, you won't need to, because I think it fits just perfectly, do you know what I'm saying? So let's have a cheeky look. Label still on, you know what I mean? I think, boom, just fly. Like if you check the things, super dope, you know what I mean? Just all around a fly piece. I think these guys have smashed it, and I paid roughly the same price I did for this as I did for the schmuck I showed you from Hawkwood Mercantile. And this is what I'm talking about when it comes to price and, you know, feeling that you get value for money. These are like premium materials, and I'm not saying they're premium, but they're innovative materials. They're things, you know, you've got the sort of squid material, you've got that, you know, where it's a fresh label. You feel like all pieces have been, you know, crafted with care. And the only problem with the Hawkwood was I didn't get that feeling. Again, I'm going to go into that a bit more, but considering they're similar on the prices, this is why I slightly have an issue. And again, it's nothing against Richard from Hawkwood, it's just I'm a consumer and this is my experience, so I can only go on what I've gone on. Guys, I hope you've really enjoyed it. I hope I've showed everything. I hope you've you know, got to know this piece as well as you've got to know me. And yeah, let me know what your thoughts are. You know, there's not many Plurimus reviews online. I can't see many. Maybe this might actually be the first one. So yeah, let me know what your thoughts are, guys. Do you love this piece? This piece also came in a fetching purple, I believe, right there, as you can see. And yeah, really dope. I'm looking forward to the next piece, and hopefully I'll be able to get myself in, you know, because they're on piece 19, season, sorry, yeah, let's just say garment 19, even though they've had more bits. But yeah, I'm waffling now. Anyway, guys, this has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit Dat. Today I have on Air Max 1 Monarchs. Let me just do this, because, you know, shit. Air Max 1 Monarchs, as you can see. I couldn't bother to do the camera properly, so I've got Air Max 1 Monarchs on. I've got these Stone Island cargos, which I reviewed at one point. I've got the famous white t-shirt on. I've got this Stone Island nylon metal cap, and yeah, basically I'm a fly ass dude. And you guys once again have been beautiful. I haven't stopped talking for about 3 videos, so yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, share your thoughts down below. As always, guys, you guys are dope, you guys are fly, and I appreciate you. You already know what it is. I'm trying to do the comparison of all 3 on a separate video, but guys, stay dope, stay fly, and let me know everything. You already know what this is. This is what we're not saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. ZN. I'm your host P Fire, aka P is for flyness, and that's PF. And yeah, guys, you already know what this is. Stay fly, stay dope, be cool, and don't let the bed bugs bite. Alright, peace.